So, so this is what I'm doing with my channel. I am giving you guys an authentic peek into my natural hair journey, the ups and the downs, and what I am doing to reach my goal of growing my hair in the front chin length. And I'm going to continue to post my videos until that happens. So good morning. It is me, Naturally Z, and it is Saturday morning, getting ready to go to the gym. Thank you for coming back, where I feature my natural hair journey and my fitness journey at my current age of 53 years old, and the journey continues. So right now I'm just getting my hair ready to go out into the world, and let's just see what it looks like. I'm finishing up another week of having washed my hair on Sunday. We'll be washing my hair tomorrow. So here we go. Getting out my oil. I loosely cornrowed my hair just to be able to stretch it a little bit. So what I'm trying to do is shush up the front where it's long in the front and tapered in the back. And as I said, this week was kind of I like the way my hair responded to the product, but I still experienced some hair breakage, and it is in the back again, right here. So start paying special attention to the back of my hair. Obviously that is a very sensitive area. I need to make sure it's well conditioned and moisturized, and in order to prevent further breakage in the back. So I have some hair breakage right here, and I have a little bit right here on my edge. Okay, so so this is what I'm doing with my channel. I am giving you guys an authentic peek into my natural hair journey, the ups and the downs, and what I am doing to reach my goal of growing my hair in the front chin length. And I'm going to continue to post my videos until that happens. So I am done with fiddling with my hair right now. Don't really care what it looks like. Yeah, because the further I get into this natural hair journey, the more comfortable with my hair not having to look perfect. I am done for now, and I'm off to the gym. I wish you a great day. I hope you take care of yourself both mentally and physically, and I will be back very soon to show you my hair, my natural hair journey, and or my fitness journey. Okay, so until later, this is Naturally Z signing out. Peace. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, make sure you post them below. And yeah, and make sure you like this video. Okay, until later, this is Naturally Z. Peace.